Hello guys, this is Tariq Mahmood and you are watching Access Solutions YouTube channel. Welcome back in another video. In this video, we are going to install Checkra1n on Windows. Checkra1n team has released the 0.10.2, so we can download it from the official site of Checkra1n. So I will show you the step by step how you can run Checkra1n 0.10.2 on Windows to jailbreak iOS. I will show you the official site of Checkra1n so you can download 0.10.2 beta for the Linux and Mac also. In the new releases, you can check the bug fixes. We have downloaded both the files 32-bit and 64-bit. So you have to select 32-bit file if your system is 32-bit, and if your system is 64-bit, so you have to select 64-bit file. To make a proper bootable USB, I have downloaded Vanilla Etcher. So first of all, you have to install Vanilla Etcher to make the USB bootable. Now run the Vanilla Etcher and select the image file and start the process.